Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add any app's custom icons in Android smartphone without having icon pack changing option. So without more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So right now you can see my default Samsung One UI default or the Samsung One UI stock icons. So you can see here. So how you can add any app's custom icons without having icon pack changing options, just like this. So for this, what you need to do is just go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Icon G. As you can see on the first list, just tap on it. So just tap on install to install this application firstly. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. Now it will show you some instructions. You can just follow it if you wish. Click on allow. So if you're using Android 10 or 11, you can't directly add a custom icons from the applications, but if you're using a older Android operating system on your respective Android smartphones, then you can click on this plus icon that you can see on the bottom, right bottom. But right now I'm using Android 11, so I can add any app's custom icons directly from the application. So what I need to do is I need to tap and hold on the home screen, and now I need to click on this widgets. Now you can see one icon named as Icon G, as you can see on the left bottom. So if you don't see, then just search for this widgets icon G, just tap on it and click on add. Now it will show you all the application icons that has been installed on your respective Android smartphone. So let me create one icon, say for the Play Store. Say I want to add a Play Store custom icons, right? So what I'll do, I'll just tap on it, and now it will show you my icon packs available. So if you don't have icon packs, you can click on pick manually also, or show related icons. You can click on show related icons also, so it will display all the show related icons. From there also you can directly select your respective icons, or you can do like pick manually and you can select the respective icon packs if you have install the different icon packs from the Play Store or any other outside. So here I will just tap on the show related icons, since it makes me much more easier to find quicker my custom icons. So I will just select the one icon from the Google Play Store. So I've selected. So you can rename the shortcut name or the app icons, whatever you would like to rename also. So I'll just keep it as like default and just click on create. Now it will create a Play Store. Now you can place it wherever you like. Even you can place it on the dock bar or even in the anywhere, or you can add it inside the folder also, wherever you like. So I'll just keep it on the dock bar, and now if I tap on it, it will act exactly as a application icons. But the sad part here is that while you are creating a app custom icons using this Icon G applications, it won't show the notifications that is being received while using the particular application. Say if I have downloading or showing on notifications on the default Play Store icons, then this app's custom icons won't show the notification that is a dot icons or the number icons, whatever you can say it. So using this app custom icons, but if you don't mind, if you don't get any notification indicator in this application, then you can definitely use this app custom icons. So this is the way how to add any app's custom icons in Android smartphones without having icon pack changing options on your respective Android smartphones. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.